guys to another video. So here we will test our last code. So here I will put some new name, maybe tech only, and age 23, and save it. So here we have the test. Last time I saved an empty name, but I said that we have to verify this. Maybe we will implement in the next video. So the list is working here. If we want to make some changes to the list, we have to go to the activity list view file. But now we want to delete on click one item from the database. So to do that, we have just to go to the main activity and put here some new on click listener on the list view. So set on item click listener, and here we will start a new adapter view on item click listener. So here we receive the position of the item. The position of the item is the same as the position of our list view, this one. So to do that, we can just check if we will create another method in the database helper. To do that, we will use our variable, then get, then delete. This is the method that should create in the database helper. To do that, we will just create the method on the database helper. We will come back to this method, and then going back to the main, here it will receive I made a mistake. So the best approach maybe is to come here and delete this method, and here I will put like the person's list that get some index, and the index I will use this position. Remember that so now maybe is the best time to create the method. That means that it will put here some string, only that. And another thing is that if it is a success there, we can just put some message here showing that item deleted, and we can put some long here, and else we can just put another message and say error deleting, and after delete the item we will list it again. So going to the database helper, we can just make something more short. That means that here we will put we will invoke another SQL database object, and this time we will use the writable database again, and we can return like the SQL database that delete method. This delete method is from the SQL database, and we can give the table name, and here we want to grab from the name list this one. So here we will put the name is another constant and should be equal, the name should be equal to something. Something is this string that we receive here. We can put here s, no, and we'll put here the new string array s only. And we will close this delete here, but this returns a boolean, so we have to be sure that this result is more than 0. If it's more than 0 or upper to 0, it is a success, else it is not. So we'll save and start our code again to test it. So now we will list first, and then I will try to delete this one, and voila, item deleted successful. So we can delete again and everything is up and running. So stay tuned, maybe we will put some update function and more videos are coming. Thank you for your attention.